uMakhumalo unamandla, not only phela financially but unamandla nakwimuscle yomqondo. uMakhumalo uyazenzela, amandla akhe abonakala ngisho kumuzi wakhe lo anawo manje. Unomuzi omuhle kunabo bonke and ngeikhwepha zakhe, meaning vele kwasekuqaleni bese singasamfanele isithembu ngenxa yamandla anawo. Iphutha lenzile uMakhumalo elokuthi ayitshele ukuthi because unemali, unamandla, uhlakaniphile, uzocontrola indoda yesithembu. Guys, amadoda esithembu omseleko, they are very selfish. Uyabona indoda isithembu nje, uma umuntu ekhanda isithembu you must know ukuthi indoda ecabangela yodwa. Ngoba isuke ifuna ukusatisfy amalungelo ayo, nezidingo zayo, nemizwa yayo. Uma ngabe nje uyongena esithenjini azi ukuthi uyofulfilla idingo zomuntu, ayinandaba ukuthi wena uyalimala noma wena uzwa kanjani, it's all about him. So uMakhumalo wayitshela ukuthi ngenxa yamandla nawo uzocontrola uDuma. Wangazi ukuthi one day lento izomjikela. She went as far as diagnosing uMayeni engeyona psychiatrist, engeyona psychologist, engeyena unurse, engeyena udokotela. Wathi udelusional. Wakhohlwa ukuthi uMayeni umfice kule ndoda. Wakhohlwa ukuthi uMayeni kakade wafika kuqala nakule ndoda before abanye. Meaning uMayeni le ndoda uyazi kangcono more than yena. Wamdiagnose kodwa wathi delusional. Kunjani manje? Sathula sabuka. Thina ke esaziyo ukuthi umuntu okhoza yonke le havoc, it's not abafazi but umseleko. Kufila kanjani manje uMakhumalo uma ngabe lento isibhekene naye, umseleko esemvezela, esebukisa ngayizwe lonke, engasenandaba nepower yakhe nemali yakhe ukuthi wondla abantu. Kunjani manje? Ubani odelusional manje? Niyabona guys ukuthi niyoze niyibone lento yokuthi uma ngabe ube unfortunate washada nendoda ecabangela yona yodwa, especially le gang esesithenjini, ungafuni ukubalansa ngamanye amakhosikazi. Uma ufuna indoda ikuthande, ungafuni ukuma uzenze ncoma yikho, because indoda yesithembu ihlezi icabangela yodwa. Ithatha decision ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi wena ufila kanjani akanandaba. Njengoba noma acele nje sisazomkhalela, siyambona manje umacela ukuthi manje nomseleko ubani. Guys, noma abantu begaya imali ngalezi zinto begaya imali, but fundani kuzona. Umndeni kaMseleko udlala into ngempela eyenzeka ngempela emhlabeni. But bekubona nje kwami ukuthi uMakhumalo njengamanje singamdabukela, kodwa ube nayo character yokunyukana, ube nayo character yokuzenza ngcono. Wahamba wazobona omunye unkosikazi ukuthi uyahlanya. Njengamanje abantu they are judging her, sekuyena ohlanyayo, because it's not about abafazi but it's about le ndoda ebaxovayo, ezicabangela yona yodwa, engenandaba nayo. Njengoba nomacele isazomkhalela naye. Nzi wami wesenzi, ngiyamhlaba uMakhumalo. Kuronge ukudiscover indoda kodwa ube ugxiba abanye abantu besifazane. Kurongo into uMakhumalo ayenzile. uMakhumalo uthathaphi ilungelo lokuthi ethi ewumfazi wesithathu, hayi nanowesibili, hayi nanowokuqala, ezoba umfazi wesithathu, adiagnose uMayeni athi delusional, ebe emfice endodeni. I-concern yami lapho, ngoba uma ngase nje kuthiwa ngapha kaZulu bayampena kungathiwa kusho ukuthi uphaphile. ukuphapha lokhu ukuthi ungafica umuntu endodeni kuqala ufica belwa izimpi nendoda yakhe because uma simchecka wenza lento ekuthiwa i-retaliation. Umayeni uyamazi umusa. Yabona umayeni kubona bonke labafazi. Umayeni uyamazi umseleku. That is why umseleku emthanda lo mfazi mayeni. Ngoba uyakwazi ukumsetha amkulufe ngendlela yakhe. Khumalo mangabe sethi delusionally uyayi understand usho kanjani delusional umuntu umfice endodeni. Hayi sithanda sami kuyaphika sense. Khumalo uqhashe njengomchamo wasekuseni kahle kahle. Qhashe njengomchamo wasekuseni manje lo mchamo usuyamhisha mase kufanele ukuthi awuphuze. Ngoba akakwazi ukuthi athi kumayeni delusional kanti naye uzogcina delusional ngoba njengamanje usebonakala ngathi sekuyena uhlanye olukhulu ukuthi akasamfuni number 5 kodwa naye ungena endodeni yomuntu. What's matter behe. Hayi yangizwa senza ngizwa ngilwela mina ukuthi she was wrong nje ukuthi angafica umuntu endodeni athi delusional ngoba nake ufuna ukuhlala kangcono yena. Sekunjani manje njengoba esha nje ekwi-frying pan ngoba phela ziyamkalela kancane. Ubani manje use-delusional? Sekunguye manje sibona yena ntsene uhlanye.
Cela ningikhulekise bazalwane, umyeni wami selokhu ngimbhaqa nentombazane eyodwa sekuzokwaphela unyaka. Anginawo umsangano nomkhuleko mina. Anginawo nje umkhuleko okudlala. Dedela leyo ndoda. Dedela lelo khabishi. Lihambe kuyenzwa ngalo John 14 kule ndawo ejabula kuyo. You know, Makhumalo kaMasweleku ungibonisile ukuthi having your own money as a woman is not enough. She has her successful business, but it's still not enough. Umntana uyafuna ukufundiswa ukuzithanda nokuzethemba nokukhetha yena. There are many women. Yabona, as much as we preach ukuthi as umfazi ufuna ube nemali zakho, you must be financially independent and now we need to call to the same room women that are financially independent, women that are successful, women that don't need money from men. Sibabize in the same room, sibafundise self-love, sibafundise ukuzikhetha nokuzithanda, sibafundise ukuthi akho sono ekushiyeni indoda eyindlavini nendoda engakuthandi. Sibafundise ukuthi akusisisono being alone. Lesikhathi usimosha ubhizi uncengana nendoda engakuthandi, nendoda enganasikhathi sakho, nendoda enomona, namandoda enaphinda benomona ngesuccess yenu. Lesa sikhathi ubhizi uncengana nalowo ndoda yadlula mani indoda lethu uNkulunkulu. Uyadlula ubhuti obekazi ukuthanda ngisho uhona. Kanti ngani bafazi abanemali? Career right is an executive at work. Alrighty, she does not even need this man financially. Kodwa ngoba wakhetha ukuthanda umshado more than loving herself. Ngoba wakhetha ukuthi this ring. Guys, are you telling me ukuthi you cannot afford to buy you a ring like this? Kona even if I leave this marriage akekho umuntu uzoyithatha le ring ngisengaqhubeka ngigcoke. Yini kahle kahle bafazi abanemali nabafazi abafundile ake nize kule ring, ake nize kule video. Bafazi abazikhonayo, career women, financially independent women, ake nize la. Yini le enihlalisa namadoda anganifuni? Yini le enihlalisa namadoda that are jealous of your success and your careers? There's men that are jealous of how other people receive you. There's men that are jealous of the fact that everywhere they take you, uyababazo. There's men that are jealous ngokuthi kwakubo umehambe nomkakhe wonke umuntu ufika babazi ukuthi akathobekile manje akake asathani mazi bafazi abanemali yini inkinga khuluma nami ngizwe awungeke
Marumusa, guys, I think my husband and I were talking about it. This man has a woman willing to have his children. All she needs is IVF. All he needs to do is do his part and not have sex with other ladies for a couple of weeks to get the right sperm for the IVF. That's all he has to do. But he will not do it. He will keep insisting to do things naturally when the doctors have told Makhumalo that it's impossible because they had to cut her fallopian tubes. So there's no ways for the sperm to transfer to her eggs. Like, I understand what... like, how is she gonna get pregnant if you don't do IVF? Like, he keeps thinking naturally is the only way. Like, the reason why Khumalo and Umselego are butting heads right now is because last year, in the last season, she asked him, can I please have IVF? Batung. And what did he do? He got sick, got another girl pregnant, moved on with his life and forgot about her. Like, she asked you for one thing. Yo, Jesus. She is willing. IVF, if she wants to carry twins, she can even carry twins. Yeah, IVF. Like, I don't understand what, like, he wants. He wants to keep swearing at her and saying she's failing or whatever, but at the end of the day, has he done his part on the IVF part? Have they tried, let's say 2 or 3 IVF sessions and think, okay, we have failed through IVF, okay, Makhumalo, I've done my bit. Do you get what I mean? Like, hi man, do baba, hi. Instead, you want to treat this woman like she can't carry her own children, like she can't do... It must be exhausting as a woman trying to have children, and you really want to have children, and you have a man like Umosa. It must be exhausting. You get to watch other females have children, whereas there are other options, and you have the money to get the other options. Jesus. Like, I feel for Makhumalo. Like, I really feel for her, because there was a stage in my life where I've always had endometriosis, and I'm always prone to like cysts because of my endometriosis. And my husband and I discussed it, like, early on in our dating, you know, that, hey, I have endometriosis, and if it happens that I can't carry children, will you be okay with that? Like, if it happens that we have to use IVF. Listen, my husband was there asking the doctors about our options. He wasn't even my husband at that time. He was still my boyfriend. If we try to have children and the children don't come because of her endometriosis, how do we figure out the next step? Do we do IVF? He was willing to do everything, you know, because he was a man with a plan who was committed to his wife. Like, I wasn't even wifey. I was girlfriend at that time. He was okay with going to gynaes and finding out as much information as possible about endometriosis and how, if we struggle to have children, what are our options. Like, unfortunately for us, it didn't go that way. God was like really good to us, and we're able to have our children, and it's fine. But I feel for women like Khumalo, because she has the means, she just doesn't have the right man. Like, a good man will be standing by your side and trying everything that is possible medically to get those children. Because if he says his goal is children, it's definitely not his children. His goal is females. Because if he wanted children with Khumalo, IVF, you can have triplets if you want to. You can have twins if you want to in IVF. The doctors can do it. Just as long as you give them fresh sperm and they get the right eggs, and her eggs are still good, and they were still good. She was still young. Like, what? I know. Do you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of years of Uleleti Khumalo Nombongeni Ngema. You know, Leleti stayed for years with Leleti, and Leleti Khumalo, immediately after divorcing, she had her twins. It reminds me of that. It really does.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. There are people who feel ukuthi uMakhumalo bekumele kahle kahle ngabe kuzala wawushiya lo mshado lo bekumele ngawahamba because umusa siyambona ukuthi selfish, like he's just so selfish. People are saying ukuthi unemali yakhe udimele, she's independent, uncengani kulo madala, unqengani njena akahambe. So people are saying ukuthi bayamsola naye uMakhumalo ukuthi alo kahleli la kulo mshado abawubona ukuthi akahlonishwa akathathwa serious because she doesn't have kids. Bathe ucela ukuthi noma bengendi IVF because i-IVF itolunga akasibhayile somusa uthi yena nje abantwana bafuna naturally and it's impossible for uMakhumalo. People are saying ukuthi she needs to choose herself or avela avamuze because this is not working. Umusa uthatha serious ngathi bantu labakhona kumniketa lo lafuna kona yena. Do comment your thoughts wena down on the comment section. Do you agree with people ukuthi uMakhumalo kashiye phansi umusa? Mina nawe sibonana kule tag video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.